Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Maryam Ahsan, and the topic that was assigned to me to present is manganese. It have the contents including introduction, physical properties, chemical structure, extraction techniques, and applications. First of all, I'll try to describe the introduction of manganese, the element having the symbol Mn. This was firstly discovered by Carl Wilhelm Scheele, having atomic number 25 at atomic mass 54.938044 U. Its electronic configuration, its outermost shell is having 3d5 and 4s2 electrons. Its oxidation state depends on the depends upon the state, means it's in acidic state, basic state, or amphoteric oxide. So its oxidation states varies from -3 to +7, means -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, and +7. And here the simplest way to describe the manganese. Here's the atomic number, symbol, name, electronic configuration, boiling point, atomic weight, density, crystal structure, melting point, etc. Here is the position in the periodic table. In periodic table, Mn is placed in the seventh group and in the fourth period. Physical properties. Manganese is gray in color, having pinkish shade, chemically an active element. Here's the question, that what is the active element? Active elements are the elements that always tries to attain the octet configuration by combining with other elements. And Mn is hard, brittle silvery metal. And here's another question, that what is the brittleness? A material is brittle if when subjected to stress it fractures with a little elastic deformation and without significant plastic deformation. And manganese is too brittle to be of much use as a pure metal. It is mainly used in alloys such as steel. Here's another question, that what are the alloys? Alloy. Any metal that is made by combining two or more metallic elements, that is alloy, such as steel. Steel is not a pure metal, it is an alloy. And here steel contains about 1% Mn to increase the strength and also improve workability and resistance to wear. It's an also an application of Mn, that it provides strength to steel. Then there are the chemical properties. It is hard to melt but easily oxidize, as almost all of us knows that oxidize an element oxidize when it loses its electrons more easily than the other, and its standard potential is -1.05 V, and atomic number is 25. Atomic mass is 54.9380 gram per mole, and density is 7.43 gram per centimeter cube, but at 20 degrees Celsius. And there are the extraction techniques. Extraction technique means the way through which we extract the Mn. First one is the old method. Sodium salt were used in the reduction roasting and magnetic separation process to separate and recover iron and manganese from the high iron manganese oxide ores to utilize the complex ores. Results shows that Na2SO2 S2O3 was the most effective salt. Pure Mn is produced. It is the this method is used that is using nowadays, means it's not an old process. Pure Mn is produced by hydrometallurgical and electrolytic processes. We all of almost we all knows about electrolytic processes, but not about hydrometallurgical processes. Hydrometallurgical process is a way to extract metal from ore by preparing an aqueous solution of a salt of metal and recovering the metal from the solution. While ferroma- ferromanganese and silicomanganese are produced by the smelting of the ores in a furnace or more commonly in an electric furnace. And here are the applications. Applications of Mn. Mn is used to reproduce a variety of important alloys and used and to deoxide steel and desulfurize. As we had learned it earlier, that it combines with steel. In steel alloy there is 1% Mn. It is also used in dry cell batteries. Mn is used as a black brown pigment in paint, as we know that it is gray in color having pinkish shade, so it gives black brown pigment in paint. It is an essential trace element for living creatures. It is mainly used to decolorize glass and to prepare violet colored glass. As we had described it earlier that steel contains 1% Mn to increase the strength and improve the workability. Mn steel has 13% Mn, which is very strong and used for railway tracks, rifle barrels, safes, and prison bars. Drink cans are made from an alloy of aluminium that contains 1.5 Mn, improving the resistance to corrosion. This mainly represents that in our daily life there are many things that are alive and having mn, such as we have described, railway tracks and drink cans, etc. Mn is also used as a catalyst, decolorized the glass that is colored green by iron impurities. Mn sulfate is used to make a fungicide. Thank you. This was all about Mn that I could describe.